I hope you are all doing really well on this lovely wet morning, now afternoon in Ireland. So this building you see behind me is my studio, and I'm going to give you a tour of it. There's a carpenter's next to me and some engineers in there. I found this place because I brought my car to get cleaned every now and again over there, and I asked if this building was empty. I looked in the window and it was all couches and carpets and everything all damp and horrible looking. So I got onto the landlord and asked if I could rent it and put some money into it. And here we are. This is my studio space. I'm quite happy with it. I have my workshops here and I do my painting and some of my admin work here. Now let me show you where I paint and some of the tools I use to create my works. Now you're going to have to excuse the mess. Even though this is tidy, it is still kind of messy. I mean, look at this clutter. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is my desk. It's one of those tilting desks, but because I like to have my palette flat, I put a block underneath to keep my page at an angle. This is one of my more recent paintings that I've been working on. It's an Irish scene, the lakes of Killarney and the hills in the background, and the curragh, which is an old Irish boat, and a guy enjoying a sandwich and a cup of tea. This is my palette. It's a Plein Air Pro. I have all my cool colors on this side and all my warm colors over on this side. Here's my coffee. Here's just a few of my brushes. I have lots more here, but these are my go-to. A big mop, flat, and a little mop, needle point. Oh, check out this little guy. This is an Skoda. It's a tiny little brush with a really long hairline on it, and it's good for doing rigging. This paper that I use is 300 gram fine, rough, actually. Is it? This one is rough, yes. It's Baoyong. I also use Arche. This one is fine, 300 gram. And this is what I use to do my filming. I have my laptop stand here. I plug in my cameras into it here. I have a camera that looks down onto the page here, and this one looks down onto my palette. Just so you guys have the ultimate experience when I do my demos. Here I have my Daniel Smith collection of paints. There's a few other random paints in there as well, but mainly Daniel Smith. This is one of my plein air palettes. My Lintner palette I don't currently have in the studio because it's in the van all ready for me to go painting in. This is a Santa Fe paint box. It's really nice. Not that practical though. It looks great though. It looks very old, doesn't it? I got it for my 40th birthday from my wife. Oh, check out these. These are little flat brushes, really good for plein air painting, as well as studio work. Box light there. Sorry about the flashing. Let me show you of my paintings. This guy here is a painting of Mallorca, a tall ship, a local church, Gugon Barra. It's a snow scene. Sorry about the flashing. And another ship, local beach. Love those hills. And a few more snow scenes, Mallorca, and a few urban scenes here. So there you go. This is my workspace when I'm doing my computer work. Oh yeah, there's my softbox light to light up everything. I have another one here that I move around the place. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I get to paint with you sometime in the near future, maybe even France.